Hey everybody, it's D Revolution again with another video. Trying to help the writers tell better stories, be a better storyteller. Some of you are just beginning, so this channel is built for writers and how to tell a great story. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Um, so when I was a kid, I well shit. I'm sorry for cursing. When I was a kid and even now, I don't like getting on roller coasters. Period. I don't like really not just roller coasters, but anything that is fast or unpredictable. I should take my kids to the carnival, but I would not get on any of the rides that I felt like I had no control over. Uh, then I started to ask myself as I got older, why did it bother me so much to get on roller coasters? Why did it bother me so much to get on certain rides? And I mean, I've got on a couple of roller coasters in my life, and I regretted them as soon as I got on them. Um, I think the main reason that I didn't do roller coasters is because I like to control my own narrative, and I know once I'm on that roller coaster, somebody else is controlling it, and I can't do anything. If something goes wrong, there's nothing I can do about it. And I realize that I live my life that way. I like to control my own narrative, and with storytelling, I can't explain to you how important it is to control the narrative of your story. Control the narrative of the story, and you will have a great story. A lot of times, well, I'm not gonna say a lot of times, but there are some writers that they have an idea and they think the idea is good enough to tell a story. No, you have to develop that idea, and you have to have a narrative for that idea. And that narrative don't last for one or two chapters. The narrative has to be through the whole story. You have to control that story. Remember, a reader can only go where you take them. A reader can only go where you take them. So whatever narrative you put on that paper, and when somebody's reading it, that's the only place that a reader can go. Very important. Grab your story in the chokehold, and make sure that you are thorough with your storytelling. Make sure you're controlling the narrative. And it will make great storytelling and great writing. I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. Peace.